For ornament is in discourse, and for ability is in the judgment and disposition of business. Now, इसका मैं आपके जो वर्ड्स इसमें स्पेशली आए जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड हैं, हाउ कैन एक्सप्लेन दैम. देखिए उनको. डिलाइट. सम पीपल गेन नॉलेज फॉर प्योर डिलाइट पीपल. फॉर प्योर डिलाइट people who acquire knowledge for delight do so because they enjoy it. For instance, those who play sports practice and learn about their sport because they want to, not because they have to. Okay, after it come, what is the next word? Ornament. Some people who gain knowledge for mere ornament, those people only want to improve themselves in the eyes of others. These are the people who try to better themselves by bragging about their achievements and accomplishments in conversation with others. Ability, they want to show that they are able to do something. They learn for themselves in their free time. Ability is widely used in the area of business. Those who are well educated rather than those who are not better run a company. इसके बाद बेटा आपकी जो नेक्स्ट लाइन्स हैं मैं उनको दिखाती हूँ. टू स्पेंड टू मच टाइम इन स्टडीज इज स्लॉथ. टू यूज दैम टू मच फॉर ऑर्नामेंट is affection. To make judgment wholly by their rules is the humor of a scholar. They perfect nature and are perfected by experience. For natural abilities are like natural plants that need pruning by study, and studies themselves do give fourth direction too much large except they be bounded in by experience. Explanation देखते हैं बेटा इसका. At the same time, Bacon encourages studies. He wants that first thing क्या थी इसमें? Too much studying leads to laziness. देखिए excess of everything is bad, ऐसा कहा जाता है, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. अगर आपको कहते हैं स्वीट अच्छा होता है, स्वीट खाना चाहिए, तो स्वीट खाते हैं तो एक्सेस होती है, वो भी नुकसान करता है. अगर आप ज़्यादा चिली का यूज करते हैं वो भी ज़्यादा बिटरनेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे लिए हार्मफुल. उसी तरह से कहते हैं पढ़ना अध्ययन बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, अगर इसकी भी अधिकता हो रही है तो वो भी हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है. कैसे हार्मफुल है? देखिए बेकन बताते हैं. टू मच स्टडी लीड्स टू लेजीनेस. सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है? इफ़ वन यूजेज वंस नॉलेज too often in conversation with others, then one is showing off. And third क्या है आपका? to be guided solely by one's studying, one becomes a scholar rather than a practical man. Bacon's argument about the value of studies is that moderation is the key to using studies appropriately. Studies are wonderful only if influenced by experience, because a person's natural abilities are enhanced by studies, but studies without experience lead to confusion in dealing with the outside world. देखिए नेक्स्ट पैरा क्या है आपका? क्राफ्टी मैन सॉरी जो लिखा हुआ कंडेम स्टडीज. सिंपल मैन एडमायर देम एंड वाइज मैन यूज देम, फॉर दे टीच नॉट देयर ओन यूज, बट दैट इज अ विजडम विदाउट देम एंड एबव देम, born by observation. Read not to contradict and confute, nor to believe and take for granted, nor to find talk and discourse, but to weigh and consider. Some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed, and some few to be chewed and digested. That is, some books are to be read only in parts, other to be read but not curiously, and some few to be read wholly and with diligence and attention. Some books also may be read by deputy and extracts made of them by others, but that would be only in the less important arguments and the meaner sort of books, else distilled books are like common distilled water, fleshy things. देखिए अब इसका हम आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन बताते हैं. According to Bacon, dishonest men condemn education, stupid men admired education, but wise men use education as their real world experience dictates. Education is meant to be preparation for the real world. People should not use education to show off and make themselves appear superior to others. Some people make judgments solely on information acquired from books. However, a true scholar would filter that information acquired from books and apply it to their own life experience, where it will be useful in addition. Bacon advises that some books can be read by others who take notes, and the notes can substitute for reading an entire book, but these books should not be those that cover important subject. देखिए आपका नेक्स्ट जो लाइन से क्या है. रीडिंग मेक अ फुल मैन, कॉन्फ्रेंस अ रेडी मैन एंड राइटिंग एन एग्जैक्ट मैन. देखिए बिल्कुल क्लियर है, ये जो अपने आप में पूरा डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं वर्ड्स ही. एंड देयरफॉर इफ अ मैन राइट लिटिल he had need have a great memory. If he confer little, he had need have a present wit. And if he read little, he had need have much cunning to seem to know that he doth not. Now pay attention at explanation, beta. Bacon returns to addressing the effect of reading, conversing and writing. देखिए कुछ भी करते हैं तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या पड़ता है, उस चीज़ को इन्होंने इन लाइन्स में एक्सप्रेस किया हुआ है. रीडिंग क्रिएट्स अ वेल राउंडेड मैन, कन्वर्सेशन मेक्स अ मैन थिंक क्विकली, प्रेजेंट ऑफ माइंड पता चलता है ना बेटा, जब एग्जैक्ट जवाब तुरंत आपको देते हैं, कोई भी जस्ट मिलता है तुरंत. And writing, by which Bacon usually means argument, essay writing, makes a man capable of thinking with logic and reason. Further, Bacon argues, if a man does not write very much, he has to have a good memory to compensate for what he does not write. If he does not exercise the art of conversation, he needs to have a quick wit. And if he does not read very much, he has to be able to fake it, to pretend that he knows more than he does. देखिए, जो ये आपका लास्ट पैरा था उसमें आपको मैं क्या बताया गया था? हिस्ट्रीज मेक्स मैन वाइज, पोइट्स या फिर पोइट्री विटी, द मैथमेटिक्स सबल, natural philosophy deep, moral grave logic, and rhetoric able to contend. Abundant stadia in modes, studies pass into the influence manners. It means moral. Nay, there is no stunt or impediment in the wit, but may be wrought out by fit studies, like as disease of the body may have appropriate exercises. Bowling is good for the stone and brains, shooting for the lungs and breast, gentle walking for the stomach, riding for the head, and the like. So if a man's wit be wandering, let him study the mathematics in demonstration. If his wit be called away, never so little, he must begin again. If his wit be not apt to distinguish or find differences, let him study the schoolman. For they are shimini shactors. If he be not apt to beat over matters and to call up one thing to prove and illustrate another, let him study 197 the lawyer cases. देखिए, एक्सप्लेनेशन में इसको बताती हूँ इन माई ओन वर्ड्स. History, Bacon argues, make man wise. Poetry, clever. Mathematics, intellectually sharp. Logic and rhetoric, skilled in arguments. Further, Bacon believes that there is no problem in thinking that cannot be fixed by the appropriate study, just as the right physical exercise cures physical illness. Every disorder of the mind has a cure. For example, if a man cannot use one set of facts to prove that truth of an unrelated set of facts, Bacon advised the study of law. So every defect of mind may have a special receiver. Every defect in thinking can be cured by another form of study. मतलब स्टडी के किसी न किसी फॉर्म से आपकी हर डिसीज़ का ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है. ओके, देखते हैं हम लोग इसकी समरी. ये समरी आपको कोई भी आंसर्स अगर लॉन्ग आता है तो उसको मेरे लिखने में भी हेल्प करेगी और आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट भी दे देगी. ओके, फ्रांसिस Bacon's of studies served reading of books as a mean finding man's purpose in life. It emphasizes the importance of knowledge, open-mindedness and theory, compowering skill. Without books, there would not be any needed improvement for man. Hence, no other means of satisfying his curiosity. A man's purpose in life is not limited to appreciating on what he has for. In some perspective, man has insatiable desires and needs. Hence, being alive means wanting to know more. The main point of all of it is that there will always be new discoveries, always a reason to obliterate existing knowledge with a new one. As said by Gallant Burgess, if in the last few years you have not discarded a major opinion or acquired a new one, check your pulse, you may be dead. ओके बेटा, आई होप आप लोगों को ये फ्रांसिस बेकन का जो ऐसे है ऑफ स्टडीज़ ये पूरी तरह क्लियर हो गया होगा। मैंने आपको इसमें सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्राइब करने की कोशिश की हैं, पूरी इसके वर्ड्स जो इसमें मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था जो आपको क्लियर नहीं हो रहे होंगे। वैसे तो ये ऐसे ही बहुत ईजी है, इसमें आपको सभी कुछ क्लियर हो रहा होगा। आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसके नोट्स के साथ में। ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे।